Impz. Hey, what's up, konnichiwa. So in this video, more cool stuff from Hatsune Miku Magical Mirai 2022 Tokyo. And in this video, we take a look at the GSC Hatsune Miku display that they had up. And they had some cool new figures. They had the Racing Miku 2021 private version. That's the one she's pulling the suitcase. And yeah, this one is very cool, but still at the moment, no price, no release date, and no color. And they also had the Hatsune Miku Pop-Up Parade Vampire version 1. So that's pretty cool. Little different style Hatsune Miku face, but it's cool. And they had a bunch of Nendoroids. They had the Daremo Inai Sekai version from Project Sekai, and the Miku with You 2021, and the Wonderland Sekai version from Project Sekai, and the Magical Mirai 2021 version. So yeah, some cool Mikus coming. And also they had the new Snow Miku on display as well. So Snow Miku 2023. They had the Figma, but the Figma wasn't colored yet, but the sculpt was done. And they had the Snow Miku Nendoroid. So that one looked really cute. The 2023 is pretty cool. I like it. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe. And see you again soon. どうもありがとうございます。また会いましょう。じゃあね。Thanks for watching.